Hello, I am Mark the Cat, and welcome back to Cat Goes Fishing. I just finished recording video 1, this is video 2, and how to catch that crumper. Why is it so smooth now? I wonder what this game was made by. Well, this is a custom engine. First, and the bomb. I am loaded! I wanted that crumper though. Oh my god! Whee! Wow! Please tire out. Oh, this is fun. Whoop. That's an expensive fish. That's more money than I have right now. Thank you, Sarah. 7 requests. Okay. I need that crumper. Can I have that crumper? Please may I have a crumper. Yeah! Wait, will this still work? Oh my god, it still works. That's the best thing. Mustard fish. I didn't want a mustard fish, but I'll take it. Now what happens if you go down here? Cowfish, no. Poor mustard fish. I'm just gonna send you into space now. Goodbye, mustard fish. Crumper, please. Thank you, crumper. Please don't break my line. I like my line. I know it's not the best line, but I like it. Yes. I got so much money from that. What's a super? I just remembered what a super was. Can I have that super? I'm throwing it really badly. Oh, that was a really good one. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Yeet! Super. Ha! I'm a good fisherman. I'm a good fisherman. Not really. Super! I clicked off. Clicked off, that's what happens. That's what happens when you click off. Thank you, super. Oh my god. I remember Blitz playing this game saying, Super loves swooping. I don't know who Super is. All I know is that there's a fish named Super. Super, please. No, Master. Thank you. How much money do I get from this quest? I need money. I will get this fish. I will. Dang it! I'm just gonna catch you, and then I'm gonna send you into space to catch even bigger fish. Ha! Thank goodness that glitch didn't happen again. That is not fun. Queen? I think it's called queenfish. Oof. Ha! I need a super. In this game, you are a cat, and you murder fish. Okay, that's good. This makes me unhappy. I will get that mustard fish. This mustard fish right here has been making me sad all day. Howdy, partner! This game's a bit like gambling. That super just suicided into that mustard fish, but boom, bam, whoa! Yes, I am so happy I have a super. No, no, queen fish, no. Yes. Got so much money. Unlock the next rod. I want that rod. Can I have that rod? Oh, never got one of those before. I'll catch this one instead now. Yeet! Yeet! I need more money. Give me more I want that hat. What did that hat do? What did that hat do? I like this one. Goodbye, partner! I don't care if my boat's sluggish or not. I didn't know there was boats in this game. Oh, I should probably do this. Boy, I just got 1,000 monies. Wait a minute. Purchase a rod attachment. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Catch a round fin, okay. Wow! Just show me the way. Thank you, fish, for showing me the way. Oh my god. Where are you taking? Huge hook unlocked. Shark eats live bait. Hey, can I get the shark? I can kill sharks in this game? Oh yeah, boy! So if I get... I'm just saying... What does that do? I'll try it, see what it does. I remember using this to scout out an ocean floor. Oh, that's a good fish. I should probably catch that shark. So, thanks. Thanks, mate! No. Oh, thank you. I'm sad now. Yeet! Hey, there's a fish there now. I want that fish. Eat. Thank you. Mustardy. Ha! Thank goodness the question happened. Blink. Oh, hey, thank you, Sarah. Oh my god. Ha, 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 ha. See, we're doing it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, thank you, Sarah. Oh, it's so calm now. Hey! I got enough money. Don't want that fish. I want this fish. I should have brought the huge. Wait a minute, that's good. Now I can buy the huge hook. And oh. Mustardy, show me the way. Oh, I didn't want that to happen at all, but it works, so just waste all the money. I'm sorry for coughing so much. Let me throw this. That was a good throw. Now I get the grumper. Grumper is grumpy. Hi, can I actually? Hi, I'm gonna eat you. Or this can't. I'm gonna eat you. The other fish are gonna eat you. Am I losing my voice? I think I'm losing my voice. That's not good. This. Also gone. And now. Oh, yeah, that was a good throw. Now. Go boom. Wow! Karina. Yes, thank you. Oof. That poor. I'm supposed to catch round fin, that makes sense. Brown fin. Round fin. Now this is just sad. If you want this fish, well, I'll take it. Should probably sell these fish. Nah. I send him into space instead. Shark! Why? Okay, this time I'm just gonna sell the fish. That was a good cat. That was a good thing. Fly! I like these boats. Sibbelfin. That's good fish. Probably do the quest. Definitely should have sold that fish. So much money. Please work. No, 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 no. That's the most annoying fish I've ever seen. I hate you. Wait a minute. Hey! Yay! Free money! Do you want to do it? Oh, it clicked off. Keep clicking off. That's a cute camper. I think you can fish. Ha! Uh-oh. Mustard fish. Ha! That's a good fish. I'm gonna sell it now. If we can end this video off, because it's 20 minutes long, almost 20 minutes long, I guess. I'm gonna put a huge hook on this, throw it, maybe catch a mustard fish, catch a fin instead. Why I have a cowfish now. It's nowhere near enough money, but try to get the shark, didn't get the shark, so goodbye. Oh! This is the wrong button!